Hey guys, welcome to Smith Auctions. Today we have March 11th's online industrial, commercial, and tool auction. Let's get things started by looking at this Hobart gas-powered welder that works per seller. After that, let's look at this lined 30B forklift that's electric with the 2,000 pound capacity. Next up, we have 3 saddles with assorted tack. After that, we have a Port A miter saw stand, and roller stand. Following that up, we have a 2-door metal cabinet that's approximately 48 inches by 24 inches by 78 inches. Looking to the front of the aisle, we have an expandable box roller that's approximately 40 inches long when not expanded. Looking to the back of the aisle, we have a Thompson Gordon TG175 industrial air dryer that runs on 230 volt single phase. Following that up, we have a huge 40 foot by 60 foot tarp. Looking to the front of the aisle, we have a Rockwell Model 15 drill press that runs on 115 volt and it works per seller. Maybe you're looking for something a little bit smaller. There's a Shopmaster 3/8 inch drill press, but this one is untested. Following that up, we have a lot of assorted 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch steel cables with unknown lengths. Next up, we have racking and cross members that are approximately 10 feet. Right next to that, we have a St. Croix Auburn corn and pellet stove that works per seller. Moving back to the front of that, we have a plow mount for a Boss plow. Next to that, we have an assortment of gas cans. And right behind that, we have storage bins with parts racks. Moving back to the front, we have 2 lots of assorted tire chains. Moving right on down the line, we have a skid steer plate with bale spear and 3 rolls of baler twine. Following that up, we have safety cones and snow fence. To finish off this side of the aisle, we have multiple lots of Apollo Plex that's 3/4 inch by 300 feet and it's unused. Let's start off this next aisle by looking at that Geldwin box. It's 4 Epic View windows that are 84.5 inches by 83 inches by 84 inches. After that, we have 2 lots of metal studs. One lot is 14 foot and the other lot is 10 foot. They're both approximately 3 5/8 inches by 1 1/4 inches. Following that up, we have 2 cherry boards that are approximately 2 inch thick by 80 feet long with live edges. Jumping across the gap here, we have a Yushan takeout robot that's 200 volt single phase, but it is untested. Right in front of that, we have 2 vintage Ski-Doo snowmobiles. One is a 1997 RV340, and the other one is an MX Blizzard 550. Both ran last winter. Following those up, we have 4 Continental LT 275/65 R18 tires. Looking to the back of the aisle, we have a 20th Century 295 amp welder that works per seller. In front of that, we have 2 sets of Hummer rims. The first set is 22 by 9.5 J, and the other set is 18 by 9.0 J rims. And the last thing we're going to cover in this aisle is a Label Air Model 2710 labeler for bottles and jugs that runs on 115 volt. On to our door section, we have a 6 foot by 82 inch fiberglass entry door that is unused. Followed up by a 3 foot by 6 foot 8 inch fiberglass entry door that's also unused. Then we're going to end it on this 5 foot 8 inch by 6 foot 8 inch steel double entry door that's also unused. And that'll do it for March 11th's online industrial, commercial, and tool auction walkthrough. We'll see you online and happy bidding.